Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix if apps crashing on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open app, back, close, open and close app, open, back and close. After the process, you will see a problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.